On April 3rd, approximately 533 million Facebook users, mobile numbers and other personal information were leaked for free in a popular hacking forum. Hello everyone, this is Kripa Thapa from Infosec Daily. Today I will be covering the cyber breach that happened on Facebook. In June 2020, a member of hacking group started selling the stolen Facebook data to other members. The fact that it involved member details scraped from public profiles as well as private mobile numbers associated with the accounts made this leak stand out. The exposed data includes personal information from over 533 million Facebook users from 106 different countries, including over 32 million records on US users, 11 million on UK users, and 6 million on Indian users. The leaked data contains information that users shared on their pages. It contains Facebook ID numbers, profile names, email address, location information, gender details, work data, and everything else users might have entered in their profiles. Furthermore, the data also contains phone numbers from users that had not made their number public on the site. A Facebook spokesperson said that the data was scraped due to a vulnerability that the company patched in 2019. According to Alan Gall, CTO of cybercrime intelligence company Hudson Rock, who first discovered the entire trove of leaked data, it is believed that the threat actors exploited a 2019 vulnerability in Facebook's Add Friend feature, which allowed them to gain access to the member's phone number. The leaked data may provide useful information to cybercriminals who use people's personal information to impersonate them or scam them into handing over login credentials. Threat actors on the hacker forum are overjoyed with this release because it allows them to carry out attacks against those who have been identified. The attacker can conduct phishing and smishing attacks using email addresses and phone numbers. Threat actors may also include SIM swap attacks to steal multi-factor authentication codes sent via SMS using mobile numbers or leaked information. All Facebook users should be careful of strange emails or texts demanding additional details or instructing to click on enclosed links. If you have any questions or suggestions, comment down below. If you like this video, do like and share it. And if you want more contents from our channel, do subscribe. Thank you.